Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with you again with another recipe that is a dry corn Manchurian recipe. You can eat them as it is, or you can have with chapati or tossed noodles as well. So this is the baby corn that is slightly roasted with the coating of corn flour, the same that I'm doing with the sweet corn. So this sweet corn is coated with corn flour, black pepper and salt. So I roasted them and now I'm putting some tadka on it. So this is green chili and also added capsicum, the beans and any veggie that you like it. So toss them and slightly cook them. Only the 50% of the veggies should be cooked, and always keep in mind that you have to keep the flame on high if you want. If you love the flavor of garlics, and then you can use as well. And then I have added this baby corn, and also I added some sauce that I forgot the soup, but I'm telling you, this is 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce. And then I have added 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. This is thick soya sauce, so I added only 1 tablespoon. If you have slightly thinner, you can add 2. So green chili sauce as well I added vinegar. So these are the sauces that are required for Manchurian. I've added it all, and then once it is well coated, I'm adding this roasted sweet corn. So mix it really nice, and then we will be adding some gravy into it. So in the same pan I will take in 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 cup of water. Mix it really well, like watery. It should consistency should be watery, and add them into the pan, and within a minute it will be thick, and it will coat all the veggie that you are right now looking at it. So it will coat and it will bind all of them. If you like some other chili flavor or some other flavor, you can test it and adjust at the same point. So I have added some green red chili powder, that is basically Kashmiri chili, to have some color in it. And now you can see that it is not too dry and not too wet. You can use it as in the chapati, or you can have them as a salad as well. So this is a very good recipe, and it tastes yummy. If you have love for corn, you definitely try this recipe and let me know how do you find out. Thank you for watching, and I will come with another recipe. Bye bye.